One of the purest relationships is friendship. A person without a friend lives a hard life. Everybody needs a companion to deal with our experience. It is dependent upon you that how you define friendship. It can be sharing your food, taking care of that person, supporting them in their thick and thin. You may not be loud about it, but if you care for a person silently, that is what friendship is. Friendship is about laughing together on small things, cherishing every moment you share, standing together for each other even when the world turns its backs towards them. Friendships are sometimes more durable than the relationship of love. Even though the definition of friendship varies from person to person, the core meaning behind it is the same for everybody. Life is empty without a friend. So when you gain a true friend, make sure you cherish it with all your heart. The person with a real friend, with whom all the things can be shared, is the luckiest in the world. A friend will never judge you, and they will never stop scolding you if you are wrong. But whatever the situation be, they will always be there to support you.